Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ajayastra Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today, on the 16th of May 2024, we have some intriguing updates on small cardamom and clove markets. Let's dive right in. Starting with small cardamom, we've observed a consistent stability in prices across major markets. This stability is largely driven by strong demand in the spot market, with export demand playing a crucial role. The average price has settled at 2028 rupees per kilogram, showing a minor dip from the previous session's range of 2029 rupees to 2064 rupees per kilogram. The highest reported price for small cardamom is 2537 rupees per kilogram, a decrease from the previous session's high of 2845 rupees. Today's auction activity was notably limited, with only one center operational, which led to significantly reduced arrivals. Arrivals dropped sharply to 49,018 kilograms from the previous session's 103,090 kilograms. Offtake figures also witnessed a decline, with 47,559 kilograms reported compared to 99,254 kilograms in the previous session. However, the offtake rate improved slightly to 97.0%, indicating better efficiency despite the reduced arrivals. Grade-specific rates have remained stable. Prices for 7 mm grades range from 1,780 rupees to 1,840 rupees per kilogram, while 7 to 8 mm grades are between 1,960 rupees to 2,040 rupees per kilogram. Higher grades of 8 mm and above are priced between 2,200 rupees to 2 rupees 360 per kilogram. Moving on to cloves, prices have held firm amidst stable demand in key markets. In the Kottayam market, imported clove prices have shown stability. Comoros cloves are priced between 850 rupees and 870 rupees per kilogram. Madagascar cloves range from 860 rupees to 880 rupees per kilogram, and Sri Lanka cloves are in the same range. Domestic clove prices in Kottayam remain steady, fluctuating between 920 rupees and 940 rupees per kilogram. This price stability is supported by strong demand, with other spices like pepper and cardamom also showing potential for price increases. However, the prospect of increased imports could temper any significant price hikes. In Shimoga, another significant trading hub, clove prices are firm at 940 rupees to 960 rupees per kilogram, mirroring the stability of the previous session. Additionally, the price of clove stems in Kottayam remains unchanged at 125 rupees per kilogram. That's all for today's update. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ajayastra Money Guru for more such insights. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the commodities market.